Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're fixing the error Entry Point not found procedure. Entry Point IsWow64Process2 could not be located in dynamic link library. Indicates a system compatibility issues specifically with the Windows API function related to determining the operating system architecture. The IsWow64Process2 function is not available in older version of Windows, which lead to this error. If OBS or another application expect this function to be present, here is how you can fix this issue. The first solution is update your Windows. Ensure that the version of Windows is up to date. The IsWow64Process2 function is available in Windows 10 version 15.11 November update and later. Updating Windows can resolve the issue by providing the necessary system files and functions that OBS require. Go to Windows Search and click Settings and then click on Windows Updates. Click on Checking for update. After that, check if this method works for you. If not, go to the next solution. Solution 2. Run Windows Update Assistant. If your system is significantly out of date, you might need to use the Windows Update Assistant to update to the latest version of Windows 10 or 11. And you can download the Update Assistant from the official Microsoft website. I've linked the link below. Solution 3. Install Visual C++. If your system is missing this, it could lead to compatibility issues. Download and install the latest Visual C++ from Microsoft official site. Solution 4. Compatibility mode. If you're running a version of Windows that support OBS but you're still encountering this error, try running OBS in compatibility mode for an earlier version of Windows. Right-click on OBS and click on Properties. Now, click on Compatibility tab and check this box. Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 and then hit apply and then OK. After that, try if this works. Solution 5. Check your system architecture. Ensure that your operating system architecture is compatible with OBS version you are trying to run. OBS might expecting a 64-bit environment which support the IsWow64Process2 function and 32-bit environment does not. You can do that by go to the window and click on Settings. From here, click on System and scroll down. Click on About. Now, a system type is your operating system. Mine is 64-bit. Last solution, try to uninstall OBS and then reinstall the older version of OBS is the version 28. You can find it on Google and try to see if this works for you. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or solutions, please comment below. Thank you for watching.